Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that affects us all at some point in our lives: anger. Anger is a normal human emotion, but it can also be destructive if not properly managed. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to control your anger so that you can have healthier and happier relationships. Tip number 1, recognize the triggers. The first step in controlling your anger is to recognize the triggers. What are the things that make you angry? Is it a particular person, situation, or event? Once you can identify these triggers, you can start to take steps to avoid them or manage them better. Tip number 2, take a break. When you feel your anger starting to rise, take a break. This could mean stepping away from the situation or person that is causing your anger, or simply taking some deep breaths. By taking a break, you give yourself time to cool off and think more clearly about the situation. Tip number 3, practice empathy. Another important tip for controlling anger is to practice empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoes and try to understand their perspective. This can help you to see the situation in a different light and to approach it with a more level head. Tip number 4, use I statements. When communicating with others, it's important to use I statements instead of you statements. For example, instead of saying "you'll always do this," say "I feel upset when this happens." This can help to reduce defensiveness and create a more productive conversation. Tip number 5, seek help if needed. If you find that your anger is affecting your relationships, work, or daily life, it may be time to seek help. This could mean talking to a therapist, counselor, or other mental health professional. There is no shame in seeking help, and it can be a valuable step in managing your anger and improving your overall well-being. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 tips for controlling your anger. Remember, anger is a normal emotion, but it's important to manage it properly. By recognizing your triggers, taking breaks, practicing empathy, using I statements, and seeking help if needed, you can improve your relationships and live a happier, more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more great content.